I hear the baby up. Gotta go. Let's take this really quick. All right, I think it's time for a little outfit change. We're gonna get a little festive, okay? I'm thinking maybe something like a little elf vibe. No, not feeling that? Okay, we can do something a little bit like outdoorsy, Christmassy. No? Not that one? Like a mini Santa look? No, I got it. A reindeer! Yeah! Happy Vlogmas, friends! So I decided to jump on the Vlogmas train, which is very hard, obviously, with a 3-month-old and a 5-year-old. So the only way that I think I can pull this off is if I film these little videos on my phone, edit it on my phone, and make them about 5 minutes each. So if you're into really short, sweet video recaps, hopefully daily, then that's what we're gonna try for. Okay, so today's little Vlogmas theme is little DIY photos. So, all right, we're gonna head to a room with better lighting to take these photos. If you hear any weird noises in the background, it's my husband watching the World Cup. Let's do this. In 5, 4, 3, 2, off the red nose. Wait, you need a red nose. You need a red nose. Mitt here, okay? We go all out. Oh my goodness. Let's get these pictures. We got the cutest little pictures. I'm gonna show you guys the theme of my tree. It's a work in progress. All right, the only way I can do these videos is if I keep it kind of real with you. So can I just take that off? Surprise, if you didn't catch it, my hair is now ginger red. It's probably looking orange at this angle. Don't judge it by right now. It's a mess. I literally had it in a turban because it's a mess. I wanted to show you a Christmas gift that just arrived that I ordered for my 5-year-old for Christmas, and I think it's super cute, and I thought I would share it because it's a great idea if anyone else wants to do it. No, this is not sponsored or anything. Ooh, heavy. By the way, this little boy here is so heavy. He's a big boy, 3 months, but is wearing like 6 to 9 months clothing. He was born 9 pounds, 1 ounce. Right, so the website's called Wonderbly, and they do personalized, customized gifts, books for your children, which is really cool. So the character in the different stories, you can make the character look close to your child. So you pick the skin color, hair, and I think that was it. And then their name, obviously, in the book as well. I mean, it's not gonna look exactly like your child probably, but close enough that it makes it kind of fun. So this is their dinosaur theme. A friend of mine mentioned this because she saw that I shared on my Instagram stories that my son is really into dinosaurs all of a sudden. And so it's a book that says, I am a Zendasaurus, and all throughout the book has his name in it. Really, really beautiful images as well. And they do all sorts of things. So when we just had a new baby, I did one that was like a sibling one with their names in it. So it's really cool. Great idea for Christmas. All right, so I'm gonna be adding these sort of lime green chartreuse balls in the mix. So the original color story is like purple and teal and pops of gold and iridescent stuff as well. Kind of think of like a peacock. Some hummingbirds, some poinsettias, what else? You know, little leaves and stuff happening, berries. I'm one of those people that did not fully fluff the tree in advance. But in my defense, you know, new baby, I don't got time to do all that. So this is how it's looking. The only other thing that I'm going to be adding to this, most likely, is a partridge and a pear tree. Just joking. Some tinsel. Yeah, tinsel. But like the multicolored ones with the little iridescent flare. I don't know, it's either gonna be completely obnoxious or it'll be just like the icing on top. All right, so I'm about to make some cinnamon rolls, and we're probably gonna throw on some kind of Christmas movie. Thanks for watching day 1 of Vlogmas. Tomorrow I'm gonna share a little unboxing of our matching pajama set for Christmas and some other fun bits as well. Come back tomorrow. Bye.